On the 2nd of February 2022, Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA inaugurated another workshed of Nela Handloom Silk Production Unit at Mawkasiang in Shillong. Other government officials and family members of the proprietor also attended the function. It may be mentioned that James DKHAR has been exporting silk products throughout the country and around the globe.
You can just be here, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You will not get anything from there. Take this way. Okay.
Gladi.
Yeah.
Very good.
TV gladi.
Getting photo.
Gladi dam.
Okay.
So when I reach there, I know that our products, our traditional dress is coming up from Assam, from Bangalore.
And how much time does it take to make one piece?
If I sit from 6 in the morning to 9 today.
Ano ba di try niya na kundo na ano try na action ni karate. See this one promote all these here. It's a very good fit ang karate. It's a so fun of the maras and this is more beautiful. I'm going to take this.